Hey guys, David here. Now you're probably wondering, how do I make the most amount of money when it comes to affiliate marketing? Specifically, what are the best high ticket affiliate marketing programs that I can promote in order to make the most amount of commissions every single time somebody clicks and purchases through my link? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over the top 5 best high ticket affiliate marketing programs for 2020 and beyond. But first, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing basically is putting your link out there on the internet, having somebody buy through you, and then you get credited with that commission, and then the program vendor gives you money for that product that you sold to whoever clicked and purchased on your product. Now, the reason that we're going to be promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products is because we want to make more money per click, right? So that's the big idea, is we make more money every single time somebody clicks on our link. So you could be promoting a product that makes, say, $10 to $12. However, if you promote a product that makes you, say, $250 to $1,000 every single time somebody clicks, you're going to be making more money, and you don't need that big of an audience to make a full-time income by promoting high-ticket affiliate marketing products. Next, there are 2 different kinds of affiliate marketing programs that I'm going to be talking about in this video. The first one is the recurring commission. So this is products that pay you monthly every single time somebody signs up underneath your link. So you don't just get paid once, you get paid recurring amounts over and over again. And then the second type of affiliate marketing product are those high-end commissions that you get paid one time for getting a sale through your own link. So that's going to be a big amount of money, but it's only one time and it's not going to be recurring month after month. So let's go ahead right now and dive into these top 5 best high-ticket affiliate marketing products for 2020 and beyond. So number 1 is one of my favorite programs, and it is Clickfunnels. And I would classify this as the recurring affiliate marketing program type, because you're going to be getting paid 40% of the monthly commissions for everybody who signs up underneath your link. And that's going to equal out to about $39 to about $119, depending on which program that the person clicks on and goes through underneath your link. So here is the affiliate program for Clickfunnels. Now, all you're going to have to do is just sign up for Clickfunnels and become a member of Clickfunnels, and then you can start promoting it. So you just click on log into your dashboard now. Once it pops up, you're going to see your dashboard here, and this is going to be the main affiliate marketing product that you're going to be promoting. This is going to be the Clickfunnels affiliate marketing software. So this is the one that you're going to be getting paid 40% monthly commissions that are around $39 to $119, depending on the package that the person signs up for. Now, there's also other things that you can promote inside of the Clickfunnels affiliate program. You can promote something called the Expert Secrets book. That Expert Secrets book is a chain of different affiliate marketing products, starting with the book. So as you can see here, these are your potential earnings that you're going to be earning through this funnel. So it's free basically to get the Expert Secrets book, but you're going to be earning $1 every single time somebody buys through your link. Next, they're going to be upsold for the $37 black box, and you're going to be getting $14.80. And as you can see, it just goes down and down and down, and you make more money all the way up to $798 if you sell somebody on Funnel Builder Secrets. So that's a total of $927 that you can make just by promoting this Expert Secrets free book funnel. So now let's talk about the number 2 high-ticket affiliate marketing program, and that is Legendary Marketer. So with Legendary Marketer, you're going to be promoting the main product and a bunch of different upsells that are inside of the program. So this is why I love Legendary Marketer. It is a very high quality product. There's a lot of great training inside of Legendary Marketer. And if you become a pro member at $30 a month, you're going to be getting paid about 20 to 60% commission on every single sale that you make inside of Legendary Marketer. So now let's go ahead and break down exactly how much you're going to be making for each product sold inside of Legendary Marketer. So if you sell somebody just on that $30 monthly membership, you're going to get paid $18 from that. Now, move on down, and there is huge commissions for all these other different products that are inside of Legendary Marketer. So if somebody picks up the Builder Masterclass, you're getting paid $1,000 in commissions. If somebody picks up the Legendary Leader, $2,000. all the way up to the lifestyle experience, which could give you $12,000 of affiliate commissions just by promoting this affiliate product, Legendary Marketer. Now, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is you don't have to sell anybody on those big affiliate products because there are coaches inside of Legendary Marketer that actually do all the selling for you. So it's kind of like set it up and forget about it. Now, let's move on to number 3, my favorite affiliate marketing product. Now let's move on to number 3 on our list, and that is the Shopify affiliate marketing program. So now with Shopify, you're going to be promoting the Shopify membership. So people pay per month to use the Shopify platform in order to build their e-commerce stores, and you're going to be promoting that platform. So as you can see here, all you have to do is go to shopify.com/affiliates, and it's going to give you all the information about becoming an affiliate for Shopify. Now, with Shopify, the cool thing is you can actually earn about $58 for the first time somebody signs up. So it's double the monthly fee, which is really, really cool. So they're giving you 200% commissions every single time you sell somebody into their affiliate marketing program. That's why I really love Shopify. So if you want to build basically a YouTube channel around the Shopify niche, you can get a lot of people to sign up for the Shopify affiliate marketing program. And then you're going to be getting paid that double, that 200% commission on every single time you sell somebody. Now let's move on to number 4. And number 4 is Easy One Up. So Easy One Up is basically a system where people are getting upsell every single time that they go into the system that you're selling. So it starts off with a low ticket product, and then it goes higher and higher and higher, and you get more commissions every single time somebody signs up. So let's go ahead now and just look at how this program actually works and how you're going to be making the money inside of Easy One Up. So as you can see here, depending on which program you buy, that's how much money you're going to be making from Easy One Up. So say if you bought the $500 Vertex Elite program, then you're going to be making that 100% commission of $500 every single time somebody clicks on and purchases from your link. So that's a very valuable system that they have. So the structure of affiliate marketing inside their program is really great because whatever you invest in, that's how much you can make back for whoever you get to sign up underneath your affiliate link. Now let's go ahead and move on to number 5, the 5th best high ticket affiliate marketing program that you can promote in 2020 and beyond. So this is going to be called the Super Affiliate Network. Now, as you can see, the Super Affiliate Network is a bunch of training products that teach you how to become a super affiliate. And you get paid based on tiers. So the different tiers cost more money, and you can get paid anywhere between 70% down to 33% because of the pricing structure of the different tiers. So you're going to be making money on all the different products inside of the Super Affiliate Network. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of those products. So here are the products inside of the Super Affiliate Network that you can promote and make money on. So as you can see here, this profit boosting bootcamp sells for only $1. And as you can see, you make 70%. So you're going to be making a little bit amount of money for that one. But if you scroll down here and you see right here, this Super Affiliate Inner Circle, well, it's $297 is how much it costs. And every single time that you get somebody to go into the Super Affiliate Inner Circle underneath your link, you're getting paid 70% of that $297. So you can see why this is a very valuable affiliate marketing program to be promoting. Now, those are my top 5 high ticket affiliate marketing programs to be promoting in 2020 and beyond. Make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll be coming out with more videos on affiliate marketing, making money online, passive income, and all that good stuff. I'll see you next time.